Alright, so I'm on my second split I'm trying to make, excuse me, and the second hive doesn't have a queen. I've gone through all the frames. There's a lot of queen cells that I've cut out, a lot of empty comb where it looks like brood is hatched. There's no eggs or larvae anywhere. So there's no queen in here. So I'm not going to make a split with this colony. I had a super on there because there's a lot of bees in here. There's a ton of bees in here. So what I'm going to do is instead of making a split, I'm just going to give them a queen and try to bring some brood. I guess I'll put the queen here in the top box. So I'll try to find some brood in one of these colonies here and add it, because there needs to be a little bit of brood in there. I don't know what will happen if I just add the queen to a colony that doesn't have any kind of brood at all. I mean, I guess they can succeed, but it's a lot of bees in here, a big population. So I'll make sure that the queen somehow didn't come up to the super and lay eggs in there. I guess I'll do that before I actually add a queen. That'd probably be a smart idea. Outside of that, yeah, this is basically what I got a lot of right there. I'm gonna smoke these guys a little bit. Oh, there you go. That's the way you make your bees happy. Trying to be real smooth here and just slide the bees off the frames. So I better make sure there's no brood up in here. No, I doubt it. Nope. This is just it's got foundation and comb in a 9-frame setup in a 10-frame box. So I'll add this to one of the other boxes over here, other hives. And I'm going to set this puppy. I made sure she was alive.